Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to apply for unemployment allowance in Himachal Pradesh. We'll start by outlining the key eligibility requirements you need to meet. Then, we'll cover the essential documents you'll need to gather before you begin. Finally, I'll guide you on where to find and download the official application forms to get started on your journey. Now, let's walk through the application process itself. First, carefully complete all sections of the application form, ensuring accuracy. Next, make sure to attach every required supporting document, as incomplete submissions can cause delays. Once everything is prepared, you'll submit your application to the specific department or office responsible for processing these requests. Before you submit, there are a few important details to keep in mind. Pay close attention to any specific deadlines for submitting your application to avoid missing out. It's also helpful to understand the general processing time, which can vary. After submission, I'll explain how you can effectively follow up and check the current status of your application. Once your application is approved, you'll want to know how you'll receive your allowance. We'll discuss the common methods for payment disbursement. It's also crucial to understand any ongoing compliance requirements to continue receiving benefits. Finally, I'll point you towards additional resources and contacts for any further questions or assistance you might need.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.